Hello friends, welcome to my channel IIT JEE Physics classes. Today we are going to discuss area of parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram with the sides A and B depends on its height and the one of the sides. You know, area of parallelogram would be A times H. So area depends on the side A and the height H. If we are taking the same sides A and B and we can draw different figures of parallelogram with the same sides. Area of parallelogram depends on angle between the sides, and the angle between sides is 90 degree. Then area would be A cross B. This is the maximum area a parallelogram can have. You can see if angle is 90 degree, it would be a rectangle and it would have area A cross B, right? And if we decrease the angle, then area will change. Like here, the angle between side is 30 degree, which is less than 90 degree. Now area would be A cross H. That means this height H times this side A. So because this side is lesser than the B, if angle decreases, the area will decrease. This is the maximum area a parallelogram can have. So with the angle decreases, the area will decrease. We can see with one more example. So here angle is reduced to 15 degree. And now this is the parallelogram and area would be again A cross H. Yani this side A, which is same, and height decreases as angle decreases. So you can see area is reducing with angle decreases. If we reduce the angle to 0 degree, means if angle is 0 degree, then parallelogram would have like this. So for 0 degree angle, area of parallelogram would be 0. So maximum area of any parallelogram having sides A and B would be A cross B, and it could have different areas for the same sides A and B between A cross B to 0. I hope you liked this fun fact about parallelogram. If you like it, please comment in the box. You can take my JEE Physics classes on Unacademy mobile app. On Unacademy platform, you can also subscribe for Champions League, and dates for it are 14th and 21st November. There would be 25 questions. You can win prizes and 100% scholarship on the Plus subscription. And also from 10th to 17th November, prices are reduced by 10% on Plus subscription. So hurry up. You can get extra 10% off. Use code RT21. Also, you can enroll for scholarship test for IIT JEE aspirant. It will be held every Sunday at 11 a.m. for classes 11, 12th and droppers. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and share, and don't forget to comment in the box. Bye bye.